action button. An action button is an object on a slide that performs an action when clicked or pointed to, such as jumping to another slide or playing a sound. Now let us see how to create action buttons with sound. This will be very interesting for students so that they can play like a musical instrument. I am going to insert a new slide between 2 and 3. The shortcut for inserting a new slide is Ctrl plus M. Ctrl plus M is the shortcut for creating a new slide. Okay, Ctrl plus M is for creating a new slide. So if I press Ctrl and M, a new slide is created. So in this slide, I am going to do some actions. After inserting some shapes, let us see how to create sounds from this shape. So insert some 6 shapes. Okay, suppose I want to create a sound of a wind. Click action, play sound, select wind. Wind I have typed. So once again I will show you action, mouse over, play sound, wind. So on mouse over it is going to play the sound of a wind. Select action, on mouse over, play a sound of a typewriter. So I am going to rename this as typewriter, and on mouse over, play a sound of hammer. Okay, edit text, hammer. Next I am going to create an action button. On mouse over, play a sound, drum roll. Drum roll. Next action is on mouse over, play sound, cash register. So let me edit as cash register. And the last button, let us insert an action button. On mouse over, play sound, bomb. So I am going to edit the text as bomb. Now you save this and press Shift plus F5. Now you listen carefully. If I move the mouse over wind, automatically the sound of typewriter, hammer, so if I move the mouse on drum roll, it is becoming bomb. So like this you can create action buttons. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel EduCrawl. You can forward this video to all your friends and relatives. During this COVID period, these types of videos will be very useful to them. Please share. Thank you.